Hi, I'm Christopher Kimball from Milk Street. You know, I was in Switzerland about a year ago with the folks at KUHN RIKON, and I came across something they've been making for a very long time. It's not available here until now. It's called a Durotherm. It's a Dutch oven. You can see it right here. It has double wall construction, which means it holds heat really well. And the concept is that you start cooking on top of the stove, remove the pot to this little container here to let it sit off the heat to finish cooking. That very gentle cooking, first of all, uses no energy, and secondly, you get perfectly cooked foods. And this is a great example of how to use it. We used it for oatmeal and lots of other things, but this time we're going to do beans. So I have a sofrito, which is onions, celery, carrots, etc., bay leaves, some fennel. Sauteed it briefly for 3 or 4 minutes in the pot, and then we're going to add 4 cups of water, quart of water. I'm going to add beans. This is a pound of beans that we pre-soaked. A little bit of rind from Parmesan, like that. And now we're going to bring this up to a simmer. And then once it comes up to a simmer, we'll put the top on the pot and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Then we'll take this off the heat, and this is the heating pad, so it won't hurt the surface of the counter, and let that sit for 45 minutes. So the 45 minutes is up. It's been cooking in the pot, even though it's off the heat. We'll take off the top. It's still hot, so I'm going to take that. And you can see that it's nice and creamy, and the beans are nice and softly cooked. By the way, you can let this sit now for another hour, hour and a half, and it'll still stay hot. And we like to serve it with a little Parmesan. We use the rind for the recipe. And I drizzle olive oil on everything, so why not here? So there you have it. This is the Durotherm. It'll hold your food for up to 2 hours. And the other thing it does is cooks off the heat. Saves on energy and gives you really gentle cooking.